In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on AI mode on Google Chrome. To get started, make sure you are using Google Chrome on your computer. First, launch AI mode by opening a new tab. You can do this by looking at the top of your Chrome window and selecting the plus icon that creates a new tab, or by using the New Tab option from the tab area. Now, once the new tab is open and the search box is visible, look to the right of the search box. This is where the AI mode icon is usually located. When you see the AI mode icon, select it. For the best results, click directly on the icon rather than near it, so Chrome can clearly recognize that you intend to enable AI mode. Chrome may show a slight change in the interface, such as a highlighted state or an enabled indicator, depending on your browser version. After you have clicked the AI mode icon, verify that it is actually on. The easiest way is to look for a visible change around the AI mode control itself. If it looks selected, active, or otherwise enabled, then you have completed the main action. If you do not see any change, you can try selecting the icon again once the tab has fully finished loading. At this point, you have successfully launched AI mode in Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.